Alright, welcome back, and this is your third video on SceneBuilder. In this video we're going to build a little bit more of our layout out a little bit. So now we're going to use, if you remember from taking my class, we did the moving from screen to screen, and we just did the basis of it. So what we're doing here is just building out an application using SceneBuilder and trying to add some objects to the screen and program it behind the scenes. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to set up another package. So what I'm going to do is come over here to SceneBuilder, actually source. I'm going to right click and choose package. In this package I'm going to call it student, and then we need a sub package. This one's going to be what type of department. It's going to be CIT, which I need to, let's hit cancel first. I need to make a change from what we previously did. So in our main view items, let's right click on it and open SceneBuilder. Alright, so we have execute. We're going to change this to CIT, and we're going to use departments at CCAC or at college, and we'll call this one the engineering group. Alright, let's make that bigger. The width. Perfect. Alright, so let me save that. Good. Alright, so we have that saved. Alright. Now let's create that package I want to talk about. So we'll call it package. We'll call it student.cit. Okay. Alright, so student.cit, we need an XML document, so we'll right click on it, choose other. We'll scroll down to JavaFX and choose new FXML document. Click next. Here what we're going to do is we're going to select the CIT department and hit finish. I'm going to close that out right now. So we have all these sub packages here. Perfect. Alright, so we now have that going. Alright, so what we need to do first is right click on the CIT department and do open with SceneBuilder. Alright, so first things first, we need to go click on our border pane like we've been doing. Come down to layout and set a size. I've been using 600 by 400, I think, or maybe the other way around. I think it's the other way around, 600. Let's see here. Let's see, 400. Alright, so I'm losing my mind. Alright, I knew it was something like that. So now we set the width of it and the height of it. So the next thing we need to do is have a label down here. Alright, so we're going to have like name of our department here. So let's find a label. I like to search this stuff up. Perfect. I'm going to grab this label, bring it down to the top there. I'm going to come over here, properties. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Computer Information Technology. That's the name of our group. And I am going to change it to bold. A lot easier this time. I'm going to change the size to, I don't know, 15. Let's see what 24 looks like. Wow, 24 is awesome. So we'll keep it 24. So it's very notably big. So what we need to do is bring in an H box, horizontal box. No, that's not what I want. Let me think. We want to add some type of pane to it. So we've set the name of it because we're going to have it. We have to have a horizontal pane to the size here. All right, so let's do split pane, horizontal. Drag this bad boy down here. Center, I think is what we want, yeah. We want to build it up. Perfect. That's what we want. We want to be able to drag it back and forth. So now we have computer permission technology up there. We were able to drag this up in there. I need a table. Actually, you know what? Let's see here. All right. So what we're going to do is bring a table view down here. So I'm going to do table view. Click on it and drag it down. All right. So we need to move this out a little bit. Oops. There's that. Undo that. Okay. You know what? This will probably be better. So I click on that, and then I'm going to right click on that and do fit to parent. Now I can drag this out a little bit. Alright, what the hell is going on? Hold on. There we go. Alright, what? This guy is getting on my nerves. Well, we're going to remove this one right here. Move the one. Alright, so I ended up deleting what I originally had and went back to it. I did change this size of this text to 18, thinking that might fix it. So now what I'm going to do is remove this guy here. Had a lot of problems with this, still having some issues with it a little bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is change the name of this field.
Make
that
skin now.
Thing about when you have when you're working with making this work from a UI perspective, you're still going to have some problems. It's not going to be perfect. It never is going to be perfect. So those are things that you have to evaluate when you're working with this. All right, so let's change this C1 to just call it names. Let's see here. Perfect. So names. Not looking 100% perfect, but it's better than nothing. So let's see if I can change this to, oops. Right. So we have our names here. All right, so we're going to look up tab pane. So I'm sure you've seen tab panes before. Do empty, and just give it something there. We are going to come down on tab pane down here and right click it and do fit to parent. And we're going to change the names of these. The first one is going to be called CIT. The other one is going to be called engineering. Those will be the groups that we go to, CIT and engineering. Well, you know what? Let's just keep it that way. We'll evaluate and change it later on. I'm not worried about that. Alright, so let's hit save here, which you don't see me hitting save. Let's save this, and then I'm going to go over to the screen. And what I needed now is create a controller. So, like I told you before, we're using the MVC model view controller. So now what we're going to do is create a controller to help program this. So I'm going to right click on student view. I'm going to go to new. I'm just going to go to class this time. I will call this main items controller. And you don't have to select this. You could just click finish. Alright, so now what I need to do is, first thing is I need to pull in my student main area here. So what I'm going to do is come down here, I'm going to type in import, I'm going to do student.main, and it'll pop up for us. So we're going to import that library over. I'm also going to import the JavaFX.xml.fxml. Alright, we have our main class here. We're going to come down. We're going to have a guy down here called private main for now. Then we're going to come down here and do fxml. We're going to call it private void. and we're going to call it Go CIT. Okay, go to CIT. Now what we have, okay, that's good there. So that's perfect. So I'm going to save for now. Now we're going to need to go over to the main.java and do some coding over here as well. All right, so we're going to need to write some code here. We have the main items, we have the main view. We don't have main items. All right. Let's see here. So change this. So we need main items. Oh, what am I missing here? All right. So I'm losing my mind. So my main items is right there. All right. So this one's going to be a public. So the reason we're calling it public is because when we're over here and we're reaching out to this student main, so like for example, if I come down here and type in, I don't know, let's see one of the classes I have over here. These are all private voids. So let's say I wanted to do show main. Okay, so I wanted to say main.show main. You see how I can't access that? Because they're all private, so I need to make a public class over here. Alright, so what I'm going to do down here is I'm going to type public, static, void, show, we'll call it CIT, scene. So we'll do a throws, IO exception, we'll have a problem. Perfect. Now let me save this real quick. Go back over here. Now if I did the main.show, look at that, CIT scene is already there. We don't need that yet, but I wanted to show you that now you can connect to it. Alright, so let's go back over here. I'm going to type in the XF. Actually, I'm going to make life easy, like I always do. Is I'm going to copy this guy right here. Paste him down here. Return. I need to do the loader.set get location. Same thing. Y. Type it out. You got it already here. Copy it. Put it down below it. Paste it in there. The thing is, the view main thing is going to be a little bit different. So the name of our thing is student, but the sub name is CIT. So what we're going to do is name it CIT or whatever you named it, and we're going to name it CIT department. We're going to do CIT department.fxml. So now that's our area that we want to use. So we're going to use the border pane. Border pane. What's the name of it? I call it CIT department. Equals my loader dot load. Great. Now we need the main layout dot set center. And the name of the department is CIT department. And boom. We got a problem here. Change it to static, which just changes this guy up here to static. Let's save that for now. Make sure that we got all that situated, which we do. Now we're going to need to go back over to the controller, which we have here. We're going to need to program that, saying main dot show CIT scene like we said. Now we have an error here, so all we're going to do is click on add throws. It just does that exception there, imports the library for us. That's a good start. Save. Alright, so now since we've created that controller, we need to connect everything. So this is going to be a little bit different than from me coding it. So we have our main items, which I will right click on and open with the SceneBuilder. Alright, so we have the CIT department and the engineering department. So what's going to be a little bit different is I'm going to click on this controller here, and you're going to see on the CIT I'm going to have a controller that is related to this object here. So it's a little bit different versus you coding it. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to come over here in the inspector area, and there's a code button. So we have an action button that's connected to the CIT guy. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to have Go CIT. And I'm going to hit Save. That is affiliated with what we just created. So this is the action event that we just created, okay? And the controller and show CIT screen. So that's, well, actually that's our controller. This is our controller that's picking up, and this is the action within that controller. So it allows us to do something with it. Okay, so let's see what happens here. If I save this, hypothetically, I already saved it. And let me open up the main items. I think I just had it open up. Okay, so make sure I save what I saved. So let me close out of this and let me run it, see if it works. So if I click on CIT, it did. These error messages down here are just warnings. So it allowed me to click on that. So it allowed me to click on that button. But I see a problem here right away. If you click on that, how the heck do we get back? So what we need to do is program. We need to go into another area, and we'll do this in the next video, is how to program a back button down here. So right now what we just programmed was the ability to allow us to create a controller, get to the next scene, and go from there. Thanks for listening, and the next video will show you how to add a home button or back button that allows us to get back.